Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open your Google Sheet and verify headers match contact import expectations. Include a header row labeled name, email, phone, company exactly as shown. Start contacts on row 2 and do not leave blank rows between entries. Remove duplicate rows and verify emails contain that symbol. Format all phone numbers with country code. For example, +1-555-123-4567. Check for stray commas and quotation marks that can break CSV parsing. Save changes before exporting to ensure the latest data is used. With your sheet ready, choose File, then Download and select comma-separated values. CSV, current sheet. Confirm you exported the correct sheet if multiple tabs exist. Ensure the CSV is encoded in UTF-8 so special characters import cleanly. Open the file in a plain text editor to verify the first line shows headers: name, email, phone, company. Make sure no hidden columns or extra commas were included in any row. Save the CSV and note its file name and location for the next step. Open Contacts, Google. And sign into the same Google account you use on devices. Click Import in the left menu and select the CSV file you saved from Sheets. Use the preview to confirm field mapping so phone maps to phone and email maps to email. If duplicates appear, choose Merge Duplicates or keep both according to your preference. After import, review several contacts to ensure fields populated correctly. Export your current contacts as a V-card backup, first to preserve the previous contact set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.